Hi everyone, I just came home from work and this was waiting for me. It's a really big box. And this is from Carmen, and she's Carmen van Lokven here on YouTube. I will post the link to her channel in the description box below, and we decided to do a swap. And thank you so much for being so patient with me, Carmen, because she finished her project for me a long time ago. But I still needed some time, and she has been very sweet and very patient. And this made me really happy. It means here I am, unpack me or unbox me, and then she has this emoticon or smiley on the box. So thank you so much, Carmen. I cannot wait. I just got the tape open and I didn't peek inside yet, so I just covered our addresses. So I'm going to open the box together with you, and please bear with me. It's been a while since I opened some Happy Mail, so yeah. But I cannot wait to see what's inside, and I will move the box later on. So I see some bubble wrap and oh my goodness. Oh, she's so funny. Here it says kansloos, and it is Dutch, and it means that it absolutely has no chance of succeeding, and it's meant in a sarcastic way, and I use this word a lot, so it's really funny that she put it on this embellishment. Thank you so much, Carmen. Oh, okay, I'm going to move the box aside and get the things one by one to show them to you in a proper way. So, oops, it's heavy. Okay, so here it is, and I'm not sure, yeah, I can take this off easily. She put it on here with some washi tape, and I'm definitely going to keep this and maybe even wear it because it's like a brooch, so really nice. And let me put this aside and let me open this up. I'm sorry for the crinkling. I'm so excited, yay! Oh, look at this beautiful envelope. I absolutely love the papers, and I think she created this foamiron flower. And she used all kinds of nice die cuts. And she signed it, yay! And maybe inside here there's a letter, I guess, so it's really nice. It has a gusset, and I believe it's about 1/2 inch. I really love this idea. I'm not sure if she used a die or maybe created this herself. And let me see. This is the personal message, I guess. Thank you so much, Carmen. Oh, wow. Let me see. Oh, wow. She packaged everything so nice. Let me... Oh, you sent way too much. I know she's very generous. She always spoils people when she's doing a swap or when we visit her. Yeah. She always puts a lot of love in her projects and packages, so let me take some gifts out of the box. And I really love this set of hoops. I know she was able to purchase them at a really nice price, and we don't have a shop that sell these in my neighborhood, so she was so very kind to give me some. Thank you so much, Carmen. I cannot wait to use the biggest one and maybe create a loaded hoop with it. I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun with these hoops. Thank you so much. And let me put this aside for now. And there are all kinds of packages and goodies right here. So let me open this one. I don't think I see any messages. Oh, I see one right here. Okay. No, I don't think I have to unpack things in any order, so I'm just going with the flow. I really love this wrapping paper. And I want to be careful so I can save some of it. Oh wow, so excited. Oh no, that's the wrong side. Oh no, it was the good side. Okay, here we go. Yay! Oh, I love these kinds of pencil cases, and I have seen them but I haven't purchased them. But I really love these. Thank you so much. And I believe there's something inside as well. Oh, I really love cacti, and Carmen knows that. And she filled the pen case with all kinds of pencils and pens in all these nice colors. Yay! And I see some washi tape. Oh, look at this paper clip. Oh wow. And these, I think these are erasers. Yay! And some washi tapes, and they all match. Let me put these back for now. Look, she got me these washi tapes as well with the cacti, and I believe these are alpacas or llamas, I'm not sure. Really nice. Thank you so much, Carmen. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my phone. And I see this lovely bag right here, and she altered it, and it's so soft. And let me see what's inside. Oh, I'm already at almost 7 minutes. And let me... Oh, I think she created me a tassel, or... Yay! I could put this on my journal. Look at this. Beautiful tassel. She used all kinds of laces and trims. And I really love these little rolled roses. I'm sorry, it's a tongue twister. Oh, this is really nice. I can definitely use this for my journal. Thank you so much, Carmen. And I love this altered bag as well. And here's another package. Oh, this is my favorite paper line ever. It's the romance novel paper line by Prima, and I absolutely love this paper collection. I still have some left, and I'm hoarding it. And here's her stamp, made by Carmen, and she stitched along the edges. Yay! I'm so happy. Let me see. And she used some seam binding here to close. I think it's like a folder or a folio. I'm not sure. Oh, it is. Oh wow, look at this. And Carmen she makes the most beautiful ephemera pieces, and she knows how to work with her Cameo and all kinds of software, and she creates the most amazing things. Ephemera and envelopes, little bags, all kinds of good stuff. So, and I love this little tag as well. I think it's stuffed with all kinds of ephemera. Oh, and I love this lace. It's like a vintage crochet lace. Let me move something. And let me check the pockets. Some more ephemera. Oh, I absolutely love these. I can definitely use these in my journal. And some more ephemera pieces. And I'm not sure if this is... Oh, I think this is a journal card from a Prima collection. And I believe I still have some left. Really nice. And here's another pocket with some more paper or ephemera. Oh wow, she printed on vellum. Look at this beautiful bag. Wow, and this one as well. And that's what I mean, she knows how to create the most beautiful digital papers or all kinds of good stuff. Look at this one. I'm definitely going to use these in my journal. And here she has like a glassine bag. Oh, look at this. The wax seals. Oh, wow. I don't have the supplies to make these, but I absolutely love them on projects. So thank you so much for sending me these, Carmen. And some extra bags. And she put them through an embossing folder with some hearts. And let me put this back. I hope I don't forget anything, but here's another pocket. Oh, with a little journal and some tea or coffee, dyed paper, and some more stitching. And oh, there are, oh, it flips open, yay! Oh, I love this bag. The beautiful butterfly. And let me, I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, there's an image on the back side, a vintage image. And all these ephemera pieces. I love this button card. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Carmen. Oh, let me put it back quickly. Put it inside this pocket. And it flips open like this. I hope it shows. And here's a pocket. She created a pocket out of some beautiful lace, and there's a paper clip that holds the ephemera pieces inside the pocket. And I absolutely love this cute little envelope with a stitch card. And I love these small paper clips as well. I don't have any of these. Wow, thank you so much, Carmen. And some more clips and a beautiful vellum butterfly and some seam binding as well. And I do have this die as well, and I used it for my swap with Carmen as well. And here are some more ephemera pieces. I absolutely love this one. It looks so vintage. And here's another pocket with some more ephemera and some envelopes that I can use. Wow. And she distressed all the edges, I think with a vintage photo or maybe walnut stain, I'm not sure. But it really took a lot of time to create this. Thank you so much. Really, really love this paper collection. I'm so happy. And here's the next one. And there are even more packages in the box. I hope I can unwrap this carefully. Well. Yay! It's a notebook and it matches the pens and the washi tape that she gifted me. Oh, really nice. I love to write, make lists, and I love to plan as well, so I cannot have too many notebooks. And it has a magnetic closure. Yay! This is definitely going to have a good use. Thank you so much. And let me open the next one. I absolutely love this wrapping paper. I believe she printed it. I'm not sure, but it wouldn't surprise me. Oh. What's this? Washi tape. Oh, this is so funny because, yeah, well, you will see when you open your package. But I absolutely love these colors. I love this washi tape. Thank you so much, Carmen. Really nice. And let me see, there are, let me take everything out. And you sent way too much, Carmen. I'm definitely going to have to send you another box because you did way more than I did. And here's another one. So, not even halfway. Sorry for the noise. What's this? It's a bag. And it's a big one. Oh, I hope it shows. Oh, wow. I think she created these herself. I thought she used some wooden sticks maybe for the handle, but oh, this is such a nice idea. Let me move some paper out of the way. And it has a flap with some Velcro. No, you're not serious. Look at this. Oh, you sent way too much. I don't believe this. And all the papers do have some quotes. And I'm almost certain that she printed these out herself, all these papers. Wow. All the trouble you went through. Yay, washi tapes. Look at this one with the cacti. I don't have this washi tape. Thank you so much, Carmen. And oh, I want to be careful here, but let me. No, this is not working. It's really tight. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to rip it because I don't, otherwise we will be here until next year. But I want to save the quote, so I'm going to try to take it out of the package like this. And it works. I'm going to keep all the packaging. Oh, this is a photo frame. And I can print these, this size of photo. And it's like a shaker photo frame. Oh, this is really nice. I hope you... I'm sorry I'm not showing you properly, but that's because I'm very excited. Yay! It's a really nice shaker photo frame. Thank you so much. I've never seen these. Okay, I'm going to open one more package and then I'll be back with part 2 because I don't want this video to be too long. Because I will have trouble uploading it if I make it too long. What's this? I'm going to rip it, I'm sorry. Oh, these are paper clips in the shape of a llama maybe? Yeah, I think. Look. Oh, I'm sorry for the glare. It doesn't really help. I'm sorry. I absolutely love these paper clips. They are really nice to use in a journal. So I'm going to be back with part 2 because I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you so far for watching this video, and thank you so much, Carmen. And I will be back with part 2, so I hope you will stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.